asking us again to find the unit vector, but now we're given something as far as a linear combination. So as far as the linear combination, could you write this like this? As component form? Yeah. Some people just don't like i's and j's. So I said, fine, write them in component form. It's the same thing, right? It's just a different way for us to represent them. OK? So now let's go and find the magnitude. I'm going to call this r. I guess I didn't have time to do that. So r is going to be the square root. I keep on forgetting to change that one. 5 squared plus negative 6 squared. Again, that's 25 plus 36. That's going to be 61. That's why I said I want to change it, because we already did that. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. Or negative 6 squared is 36. 25 plus 36 is going to be 61. And then I can just write this out in front. So therefore, I can just say 1 over the square root of 61 times 5 times negative 6. However, if I'm asking for my angle in unit as a unit vector, and I was given to me in this form, I should probably put my unit vector into that form, correct? So typically where you would see this on like a multiple choice is this would be distributed, and it would also be in terms of I and j. So it looks something like this. And that would be our unit vector u. So what I did is I distributed the square root of 61 to both of those. And then instead of writing it in component form, I used my linear combination I and j. Did I say that? Questions?